subscribe and hit the bell icon and never miss another video.
It is unbelievable how the kind of love that I get on my social media handles. Like sometimes I just sit and I'm like, how did that happen? It is massive. It is not something I ever imagined.
We have a very special virtual happy hour today with the one and only Mostly Sane Prajakta that everybody loves. So we are now going to invite her in. Hi, Prajakta.
Hey, Prajakta.
Hello. Look at this. Full
I was looking for Malini. I said, where's Malini?
I'm here. Hi.
Hey.
It's so good to see you. Thank you so much for doing this with us. I'm going to ask everyone in the tribe to go on mute so that there's not too much disturbance, but we're live. Prajakta, I have to first and foremost say you are so phenomenal in Khayali Pulao. I watched it twice back to back. I'm not joking.
Thank
I love
you
it so much. You are so talented, and you can see the smiles on the girls' faces in the girl tribe today that they cannot believe they're here with you. So thank you for coming.
Thank you so much. First of all, thank you for watching the film. I mean, I know it's we are so used to like quick content. Ki jate on the go dekh liya. Now reels is 15 seconds. So we are just so used to like, chalo fatafat. 15 seconds mein if you can't please me, I'm going to swipe out. You know? So like watching a film that's 25 minutes, I'm just like, I'm very happy and grateful.
But it felt like a full-fledged film with so much emotion, like heartbreaking. And I was like, please let her play. Let her get in the damn team. It was just so well done.
Thank you.
Absolutely loved it. And thank you so much for doing this with us. So I feel like, during the time of COVID, all of us have been feeling this loneliness and lag raha hai ki pata nahi kab khatam hoga. But the one beautiful thing that's been happening is that we've got a chance to do things like this.
Yeah.
We would not have got this chance, kab mauka milta to come and hang out in a Zoom chat with Prajakta. And so thank you for adding this little spark of joy. Lockdown khatam hoga, everyone would be like, how was your lockdown? It'd be like, well, guess what I did on Friday.
I think the spark is more about the fact that it's Friday. No, listen, the pleasure's all mine. I'm very excited.
So of course, everyone has so many questions for you, and I thought normally I get to do the interviews, but since the Girl Tribe is here, why don't I also give everybody else a chance to ask a question? So today we have our co-anchors for this particular live. So I'm going to hand over quickly to Sanjana. All right, Sanjana, time for you to ask your question.
So my question is like, what are the similarities between you, Asha from Khayali Pulao, and Disha from Mismatched?
Dimple.
Oh yeah, Dimple from Mismatched, sorry.
I think the one thing is that all of us know what we want to do. I mean, honestly, I was very young when I knew. I mean, it didn't happen, but I knew when I was 17 that I wanted to be a radio jockey. When Asha is 17, she knows what she wants from getting into the school handball team. Yeah. Dimple is also 17 in the show. So Dimple को भी पता है कि उसको क्या करना है, उसको अपनी life के साथ क्या करना है, उसको gamer बनना है, उसको she wants to be a tech wizard, she wants to code and she wants to learn more. She has so much more she wants. So I feel like this is a common thread कि हम तीनों को पता था.
Next question comes from Mahima. Mahima, where are you from and what's your question?
Hello Prajakta, this is Mahima Barasia from Kolkata.
Hello.
So, my question to you is, what keeps you so motivated in the lockdown and not take any time, like some time off social media? Like you are so personally connected to us all the time.
I actually do take time off. I mean, I don't take days off. Solely because I really enjoy doing what I do every day. That is my motivation to keep going in these times of insanity. लेकिन यार there are times जब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आज नहीं है मन, तो आज मैंने post नहीं करा, या आज मैंने कुछ बातें नहीं करी. I obviously have those days, but it's so crazy क्योंकि it is unbelievable the kind of I'll say this very selfishly, it is unbelievable how the kind of love that I get on my social media handles. Like sometimes I just sit and I'm like, how did that happen? It is massive. It is not something I ever imagined. इस चक्कर में that is one of my biggest inspirations to do what I do every day. Other than the fact that I have an excellent team that keeps me on track, I have a family that supports me. I really enjoy what I do. So on days when I'm not creating, are the days when I'm like, you know.
And I think all the things that you're creating also, it's just so relatable, right? So I love also when they have the beauty filter thing where you were like beauty mode and it's like, what beauty mode?
The Vogue covers that I did.
Yeah, and I was like, that's so
you know, someday I really wish I can do a magazine cover like that. Like I really hope someday.
I think
but it's not like all perfect with like the right eyeliner.
Yeah.
No, I hope like it's really goofy in pajamas. I feel like some magazine should do like a lockdown cover. Not with me, with anybody, but like a goofy one.
I agree. And I think we should put that in the universe because once that happens, that means we have equalized ridiculous standards of beauty, and that's just how it should be. Okay, next question is from Dhruvi Shah. Dhruvi, where are you from?
My question was that what encouraged you to open the YouTube channel and to remain in that YouTube channel, you know, till the 6 years?
I was rather desperate. I had nothing else to do, honestly. I wanted to be a radio jockey and then I became one, and a very, very bad one. And luckily for me, I didn't wait for anyone else to come and tell me that. Listen, you suck, you're fired. I mean, I did get fired, but I sort of figured that on my own. That मैं यहाँ पे टिकने नहीं वाली हूँ. It comes from a place of like, okay, I don't know what to do or how's it gonna be, what should I do? And then YouTube came as a savior where I was like, okay, I don't have anything else to do, might as well just do this and see how that goes. So I entered it very, very blindly. But coming from a place of radio, जहाँ पे मुझे बिल्कुल समझ में नहीं आता कि वो सुन भी रहा है कि नहीं मेरी बातें किसी को समझ में आ रहा है क्या मैं बोल रही हूँ, to YouTube where immediately you see likes and comments and everything. So I was like, this is great. This is immediate conversion where I get the freedom to choose what I want to talk about, how I want to shoot it. I get to act in it. I get to rewrite it. You know, it was a big creative explosion that happened, which was very addictive.
Hey, hi Prajakta.
Hello.
Okay, so my question for you is, what was the thought processing behind the name Mostly Sane? What triggered it?
I was again, that was the first name that came to my mind when Sudeep said कि प्राजक्ता कोड़ी रख ले चैनल का नाम. मैंने कहा नहीं यार, मैंने कहा ऐसे लोग मेरे नाम की बैंड बजाते हैं, आधे लोग बोल ही नहीं पाते हैं, लोग कोहली बोलते हैं. I said I don't want my channel to be called that. I said I want something completely different. तो मैं कहा मोस्टली सेन रखें. सुदीप क्या बकवास नाम है, कुछ बेटर सोच के आए. ओके सोचती हूँ. और फिर मैं सोचती रही, एक हफ्ता निकल गया, दूसरा हफ्ता. सुदीप कह रहे चलो अब बताओ, we have to make the channel live. मैंने कहा छोड़ यार, मोस्टली सेन ही रख लिया. I can't think of anything else. That is literally how that. I really wish I had a good story. With the number of times I get this question, I really wish I had a more interesting story than this.
Because it's like a really catchy name and it's very nice name.
That wasn't the thought that went into it at all. We weren't sitting like, genius, good job. It wasn't like that at all. I was just like, so let's do it.
Okay, it is now time to play a game of a round of Khayali Pulao. Are you ready?
Yes, oh shit, I left my notebook there. I'm going to get
it. Okay, you can go get it.
I'm going to get it.
So till then, I'll explain what we're doing to everyone. We're playing a game of Khayali Pulao where I and Prajakta are going to compete for drawing skills and she's definitely going to win. But we're going to show you pictures and drawings of things that we want to do as soon as the lockdown ends, because that would be our Khayali Pulao. And you guys have to guess, all right, what they are. But I'm pretty sure that you're better at this than me, Prajakta, because I draw everything in stick figures. Okay, so
me too.
Okay.
In school, I had this one assignment where I had to draw sports day. Okay, I had to draw a scene for sports day, and all my athletes were running like this.
It's like that. That's not bad.
In the front because I didn't know how to draw this.
Wow, I would not have thought of that. So now I'm really scared. I wasn't even thinking of like perspective. Correct.
Ready,
right.
I'm ready.
Ready, go for it. Everyone can unmute so you can guess. Okay, go ahead.
I'm going to go to gallery view. I want to see everyone's faces of follow. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Chai.
Cafe.
Momos.
Sushi.
Chinese.
Oh.
Who said Chinese?
Me, Nandini.
So you're gonna go eat Chinese, right?
I'm gonna go.
Nice. Okay, can I see your Chinese food again one more time? Just
So
I see it
so
now.
this is Szechuan noodles.
Okay,
And Szechuan sauce,
correct.
and this has chicken chili gravy.
Wow, मुंह में पानी आ गया देखते amazing. Okay, now I'm very worried about my performance now, but let's go for it. Okay, are you ready?
Go for it, yeah.
Okay, I pre-drew mine because I'm a huge nerd. Okay, but here we go.
Okay. You're gonna
Skydiving?
Skydiving.
It's not bad.
He has a
Not
little
bad.
backpack and
This is
everything.
amazing.
That is listen,
Not
I don't
even a
think
backpack.
yeah, that is flawless. You
That
drew
is
a
flawless.
plane like a
So
plane.
neat also. So neat.
These are my noodles. What are you even talking about? This is not even a comparison.
Okay, before we let you go, we asked everyone in the tribe to write down a word that they think of when they think of you. And they're all going to hold it up now. Is everybody ready? Have you all written your words? Okay? Okay. 1, 2, 3, and show.
Okay, I want to read it. Harsha says, inspiration. Thank you. And Nidhi says, what is it?
Nidhi, what does it say?
Nidhi, why you chose the biggest paper and wrote the smallest?
Prajakta, we have more in common. I thought I also did radio and I used to be in a dance troupe too. I used to dance behind Sukhbir. So that song is now ingrained in my brain.
You were in it?
I was in the dance troupe for 7 years with Sukhbir.
Oh my god, that is only the most iconic song ever.
Right? But it also makes me 100 years old because that
No,
was
it
30,
doesn't.
35 years.
It does not. I mean, you're still Miss Malini. So.
Prajakta, I look at you and I look at my younger self, if I can say so myself, and I feel so happy for you. And I think you have such positive energy. You're doing so much to spread love on the internet, which is what we need more of. So keep doing what you do, and we are looking forward to more of your films.
Thank
keep
you.
me posted.
Hopefully, after all of this is done, we meet in person and talk about this and other things that we can't talk about on the internet right now.
Yeah.
But
And we then dance to Sukhbir.
for sure, must make happen.
Must make happen. Thanks everyone for watching live on
Thank
Facebook.
you.
Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks so much, Prajakta, for being with me.
Thank you. Bye,
And wait for the
everyone.
match.
You
I'm
love,
so
love.
excited.
Bye, Prajakta. Love, love.
Bye. Bye. Bye.